Learn to read fun. Subscribe and like. Hello, boys and girls. Today we are going to have so much fun learning sounds and words. They are called phonic sounds. We will start with some sounds from the letters S, A, T, P, I, N. Can you say them with me? S, A, T, P, I, N. Very good. Let's start by saying our SATPIN sounds. Repeat after me. S, S, S. A, A, A. T, T, T. P, P, P. I, I, I. N, N, N. Great! Let's say them a little faster. S, A, T, P, I, N. 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 Great job! This is the letter S. It makes the sound S, like in sun. Say it with me. S, 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 sun. Letter A, it makes the short sounds A, like in apple. A, apple. Here's the letter T. It makes the sound T, like in tap. Say T, 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 tap. This is the letter P. It makes the sound P, like in pen. P, 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 pen. Here's the letter I. It makes the short sound I, like in insect. Say it with me. I, insect. And this is the letter N. It makes the sound N, like in net. Fantastic! You are doing so well with your phonics. We reviewed the S, A, T, P, I, N sounds and even made some words today. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be reading lots of words all by yourself. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me next time for more fun reading lessons. Bye-bye, children!